Good morning, everybody. It is May 3rd, and this is my second try on doing this because the first time something happened and it didn't record. So here we go again. I am outside the work area, and I thought I'd just kind of tell you what's going on today, what's on the do list, and we'll see what gets done. And of course, I have Timmy, the helper, here. Are you there, Timmy? Good boy. All right. And to orient you, that's where we put the figs out last time. And today we are going to plant a whole bunch of things. Most of the things are going to be taken and put in pots, but my first project is putting some irises in the ground. So here we are, and you can see we have one bucket full of irises. There's a whole bunch in there, so I'll separate them out. And then we pan over in the distance, there's another one. And what we're going to do is go ahead and dig through these chips, and underneath the chips, not too far down, is cardboard, which suppresses the weeds. And then I find the soil, take the irises out, put them in the soil, cover everybody back up. So that is the first project of the morning. And then we are going to go over to this side. And this is facing west, and you probably remember from the last, I think, video that I did was kind of an update on potting things. So we had left off with potting curly willow and pussy willow, and I had started doing some of the black currants right here. I got 10 done. But this whole row over here needs to be potted up. So I'm going to continue that after the irises. And then there's next to it, right alongside, are red currants. And we're going to do the same thing, pot those up. And that'll give them a good start. And then we'll sell some and keep some. And then, if all goes well there, come on Timmy, we're going this way, is we're going to come a little further south. And it's a little hard to tell, but in this little valley here is a bunch, a whole row, are baby red raspberries. And I'm just going to work on getting down this slope without falling down. And let's see, there's a baby one right over there, and another one, and Timmy helping. So we're going to put those in pots also. And then to the right of it, you can see a whole row of grasses. And these are kind of like the grasses you have along your ponds, like porcupine grass, and there's several other ones there. And what I'm going to do is dig them up and divide them. Well, first I'm going to cut the dead last year's growth off the top and all the brown stuff, and then I'm going to divide it so maybe we can get 4 plants out of one, and we'll pot them up. You can see they're just starting way down here to make babies for this year. So this would be a perfect time to go ahead and get that done. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys something. In the whole planting procedure, Kevin was nice enough to get me this really cool cart. It's green, of course. And what I did is I put a lot of the tools that I may be using today. It's so much nicer than running back and forth, just making a pile of things. And then I can bring the plants. I might bring the ones that I planted into the greenhouse so it's easier for me to water versus dragging the hose out here. But we have different size pots today, different size shovels, and I'm going to be ending up cutting some of the long straggly roots off, and that will help it fit in the pots. And of course we have our little hat with netting, because all the punkies are out and they love to swarm around your face, and the kneeling pad. So I think I remembered everything. And the soil that the plants are in now is compost So it's really rich with nutrients and all. But we're going to end up mixing in the pot some of the mulch we just got. And Kevin brought I'll show you here, got mini me this morning and brought a bucket of it, and it's bark. It's hardwood bark shavings. So that's really nice, and it'll help with some aeration in there. So we'll have balanced nutrients with the compost and then also the mulch. So I think I have all the tools. Hopefully I remember them all. So that's the project for Timmy and I today. And we'll see how much we get done a little before lunch and the rest after lunch. And then we'll figure out what the next plan is. All right, you guys, take care, enjoy your day, and I'll update you as the week goes on. Bye-bye.